First ball yan para sa team ng Golden Boys. Shot clock, number 70 now. Binigay pass, number 24, Ambassador. Number 24. Golden Boys. Number 17, a bounce pass to Steve Smith. The big man across the hopper. Bilibid back, pass and power. Good for two. It's on natin. Oh, sir, mamaya, sir. Good ball, sir. Number 1, yes, it's good. It's lock. To the big man. Babalik ang bola ka number 15. 7 on the shot clock. Wait for the buzzer. Number 2, ball the back pass. Good for two. Nai-convert tayo sa natin. Wala. Kaya ng team ng Ace. Bilang pass to the big man number 24. Yes, it number 17. Mr. Alcantara. Mr. Root. Papasukan. Kick out pass. Alcantara. Wide open. 3. Wala. Kaya ni the big man number 25. Sumabay ka pa, huwag ka lang malikod. Pass sa kalaban, sa kalaban, Sano. Number 25, kita-kita yan. Dalawa na. Ace, number 16, Mr. Vidal, the point guard. Vidal now, Vidal pa rin. Vidal, papasukan, nagkanabato tayo ilalim. Nagkanabato 2 points. What a connection coming. Sa team ng Ace, number 16, Vidal, napakagandang galaw. The smooth wide open 3. Vidal, number 24. Siya naman ang susubo, number 24. Mr. Alcantara. Alcantara setting up play. Alcantara pa rin, humingi ng pick. Alcantara, behind the back. Number 25. 10 on the shot clock. Babalik ang bola. Cross pass. Cabreros. Binigay ito na big man number 91. 5 on the shot clock. 2 minutes 3 seconds, sir. Wala na team ng Golden Boy. Number 30 na ako nagmamadali. Binigay pa sa Alcantara. Pinaluba pa sa area. Time remaining 1 minute and 27 seconds. The big man. Big ball and there's a... Tulit sa apat. Number 24 tumaksak at may napasabit. Mr. Mendes pasak. Good for 2 points ang gumagalaw. Now, binigay pass. Number 18. Number 18 pump. Spin. Sumabay ka ba? Good for two. Bola. Intercepted down Mr. Mendoza. Bounce pass to his teammate. Number 2. Yes, sir. Number 24 now. Number 24. To the center. Number 18. Number 18. Babalik ang bola. Armendez. Drive. Sa na basket and one. Jeremy. Jeremy setting the play. To the big man, number 24. Number 24 to Nicolas. Number 18, 10 on the shot clock. 7 on the shot clock. Yes, sir. To 17. Apat na ang kalamangan ng team ng Ace. Number 2 to number 25. Mendoza to Alcantara. Number 17, binigay pass to the big man. Yes, sir. With 30 points, easy basket para sa team ng
Number 15.
Number 2 now. Number 2, Mr. Ford, behind the back pass. A bounce pass to the big man. 8 on the shot clock. Alcantara. Number 25. It was a result. With
4 fouls.
second prize, connect. Pass. Good pa rin yan para sa team ng Ace. Di Sergio. It was a result. Let's see the second try of Mr. Kiao. Second try, pasok yan sa direct. 12 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. To the big man. Number 18. Yes, sir. Wala. Good pa rin yan. Mr. Miguel, wala. We are in Golden Boys. Kick out pass. Alcantara. Yes, sir. Number 7 now. Binigay pass. Number 7. 10 on the shot clock. Number 7 pa rin. 12 J. Mr. Robert! Yes, sir! Number 8 pa rin, Reganya. Bigay. Bigay, tinira! Basket and one. May napasabi. Number 7 pa rin. Good for 2 at a 4-point play. Number 24 now. Pinigit pass. Number 7. Wide open 3. Wala. Good pa rin yan, Mr. Vidal. Vidal, susunod ulit. Vidal. 11-point lead coming from team. With 13 points. 26 to 35. Number 7 now. Number 7. 15 on the shot clock. Magiging yun ang pick. Good for 2 points. What a pick and roll play.
Ito na ang tunay sa laban kung sino
Number 2.
champion.
Ang ganda ng pass out to the big man, number 25. Yes, sir. 28 shot clock. Kailan na shot clock? Good for 2 points. Sinabayan pa. Accepted ulit yan ng Mr. Alcantara to the big man, number 15. Biglang inala na sa whistle. Kitang-kita yan mga sir. Full fly, pasok. Score natin. Resolution. $1.3 seconds. This price viewed 31. Central, pasok, 1 point. Alcantara, good for 2 points. This come leader. Alcantara pa rin, 15 on the shot clock. Alcantara, bounce pass to number 25. Number 25 down the big man. The burst, yes sir. This score exactly 9 minutes. Number 24. 15 on the shot clock. Number 24. Number 17, Alcantara. Number 30, binigay pass to Alcantara, 15 on the shot clock. Arsenal, right open. Number 25, using the glass, put down on number 69. Is. Number 23. Yung dalawa. Number 17, Alcantara. Alcantara now. Alcantara ang didiskarte. Pinagay pass sa kalaban. Ito may big man, number 7. Yes, sir. Masusundutan. Number 25. Yes, sir. 22, 1 minute and 22 seconds. Number 18 now. Good for again. Good for 2 points. 10 on the shot clock. Good for again. Last 55 seconds. Pass ball lang yan, pass ball lang, pass ball.
Mr. Bongot, namamain na depensa. And a basket and 9 seconds. Bonus twice good. Number 25, bounce play. Good for 2 points. Number 16, binigay pa sa ilalim. Number 24, power play. Yes, sir. 15, Alcantara. Alcantara now. Siya naman na diniscard. Taking out pass. Drive. Let's go. Good for 2. 15 on the shot clock. Number 8. Mamamain ng depensa. Big five. At napasabit. First right. Number 17. Alcantara. Alcantara now. Kick out pass to the big man. Number 2. Mr. Bongot. Yes, sir. Bongot. Deadlock tayo. 61 all. Vidal. Looking for a receiver. Paso sa ilalim. Good luck on. The big man. Good for 2 points. Binigay best. Number 16. Vidal. Mr. Vidal. Dapat gama susundutan. Easy basket. Number 17. Alcantara. First one. Second try is good. Second. 17. Alcantara. Nagmamadali. Alcantara. Bounce. At napasabit. 13 foul. First try. Second try. Wala. They scored that second drive. Number 10, Vidal. To number 7, number 16, Vidal. Vidal ang diniskarte. Vidal na lang. Vidal. Buta na ang inabot. Shot clock, number 7. Exactly 4 minutes. 6 seconds shot clock. There's a second try is good. It's not 15 on the shot clock. Alcantara. Alcantara at the point guard. Alcantara. Inside pass. And a shot clock. Piso lang sa siya. Number 15 now. Pinigay pass. Number 17. Alcantara. 15 on the shot clock. Alcantara now. Alcantara. Drive. Pinigay pass to the big man. Number 2. Golden Boys. Makakahabol pa kaya ang team na 8. Good for 2 points. Babay sa ulo. Tuluyan na kaya magkakagwan ang team mo. Golden Boys for the 3. Ang gawan sa rebound. Zero shot clock. Napakalimutan sa tira. Good for 2. 15 seconds for the whistle. May penalty na yan.
Tira mo yan.